Hi guys, this is me during the taste test time. It shows how I love our homemade Magnum ice candy. It tastes yummy. So, watch how we did this amazing ice candy. Enjoy! These are our ingredients. Chocolate, condensed milk, cream, evaporated milk. Now, we combined all the ingredients in the blender. The complete list of ingredients is posted at the description. Guys, we are making homemade Magnum ice candy. Did you know that Magnum is a Belgian ice cream brand? Ayan guys, ilagay na natin ang cream. Ayan guys, i-blend na natin siya or pwede namang i-whisk din. It's time to melt our chocolate! Now we are ready to make our ice candy. I'm so excited! Roll the ice candy bag so it won't be hard to put our melted chocolate since we do not have funnel. Mommy used another plastic for melted chocolate and it serves as funnel or embudo in Tagalog. Be patient guys in this method if you don't have a funnel. Spread the chocolate up to the middle part of the plastic. Now it's time to put the milk mixture. Same with the chocolate. We transfer the mixture in a plastic. Yan guys, dahan-dahan lang. Life is easier if you have a funnel. Just put enough amount of mixture hanggang sa line ng chocolate. It's a medium-sized ice candy. And that's how Mommy sealed the ice candy. Amazing, diba? The last but not the least. I really love ice cream, guys. How about you? Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang. Now let's freeze overnight. Yay! It's time to judge them. I'm so excited, guys. Cut in the middle using a knife. Tadaan! Look at that! Looks so smooth. That's it, guys. Our homemade Magnum ice candy. So easy. Leave a comment and share if you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!